Water conservation is seriously key to keeping your septic system from going totally haywire. So, here's the deal. When you cut back on how much water you use every day, your septic system doesn't get all overwhelmed. Like if you keep running all these loads of laundry back to back or let the faucet drip non-stop, that extra water can flood the system. That makes it harder for the solids and liquids to separate properly, which can lead to clogs or backups. Try spreading out your laundry loads over a few days instead of doing everything in one go. Fix any leaky faucets or toilets because even small drips add up fast. Using water-efficient appliances and low-flow shower heads can really make a difference too. Also, don't dump harsh chemicals down the drain since they can mess with the bacteria that break down waste in the tank. Keep an eye on your water use during parties or big family visits because more people means more water going into the system. Trust me, treating your septic system like a delicate balance will save you headaches and money in the long run. One of the biggest mistakes people make with septic systems is overloading them with too much water too fast, causing backups or even system failure. The fix? Spread out water use throughout the day and fix leaks as soon as possible. Another common issue is flushing stuff that doesn't belong, like wipes or grease, which clogs the drain field. Just remember to only flush toilet paper and human waste. Lastly, ignoring routine maintenance like pumping out your tank every few years can cause solids to build up and clog the system. Schedule regular inspections and pumping to keep things running smooth. BigHomeProjects.com is a super handy site that helps homeowners like you find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's an easy way to get more work and connect with people who need your help.